See from this side. So these are the typical houses right here. Alright guys, so today, welcome to today's vlog. My name is Samson, the roadman. Today guys, I want to show you the Mtenguleni village right here in Chipata, Eastern Province of Zambia. So yeah, that's a video for today. I'll be vlogging around the village, showing you guys how it is. Okay, but of course this is at the time of the capture of this video is during in Chwara or Nkwala, as some of you may actually call it, traditional ceremony of the Ngoni people. So yeah, let me just vlog around, show you the village itself. But here where we're starting from, here there's an arena where actually the final day all the events take place right here. So there's a lot of testing and testing the music system and stuff that is going on right today, because at the time we're taking this video, it's a Friday and Nkwala or Nchwala ceremony takes place tomorrow. That's the final day. So yeah, but I want to show you guys the Mtenguleni village just per se. So let's vlog around and show you guys. Okay, but these are makeshifts, stores that have been put up, of which they are going to be demolished anytime soon. You know, so yeah, you can see a number of people that are practicing for tomorrow, guys. That is it. So yeah, you can see the main arena over here where they are testing everything for tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, let's walk around and vlog around in the villages, show you guys how it is. It's really an amazing day today. So yeah, if you've just bumped into today's video, make sure that you subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, guys, you don't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the roadman. Let's go. Okay. So the main Nchwala ceremony will be taking place here tomorrow. Yes guys, but yeah, I want to walk around and show you the Mtenguleni village just per se. I can see some beautiful paintings over there. You know, there's an artist that is actually painting some amazing artworks. Yeah, but you can see lots of houses, lots of houses behind these makeshift stores, which are full of clothes. I think, you know, whatever store that whatever makeshift store that I've seen, at least it has some clothes, you know, second-hand clothes for that matter. Yes guys, but yeah, this is the village part. So let's just walk around here, show you how it is. Yes guys, you know, you see the village houses here, and it's that time of the year when Nchwala or Nkwala is taking place. So yeah, let's just show you around how it is here, you know, in the village, in the villages. So this is it in the Mtenguleni village. Yeah, and also like I said earlier, like in Chipata, you find like lots of bicycles and motorcycles, you know. So yeah, but this is it. This is the village. Yeah, you can see from here. Yeah, and of course lots of people sell kachasu. Yes, I've seen some of them preparing it on certain houses. You know, like they're really like preparing the more like for tomorrow. You know, like for the main event. Yeah. So cachaça is one of those strong local. Is it? Yeah, local beers, I think. Yeah. Is it a beer? A whiskey? Locally brewed beer. So yeah, this is it. Mtenguleni village. So we're just walking around and showing you guys how the villages look like here. So this is how it is. You can see it's not okay. Of course, like during this time it's busy because it's that time of the year where you have like Inshallah taking place. So we expect busy. So you can see there they're selling the what you're calling the strongest beer in Zambia, cachaça. You know, so they've packed it like in some bottles. Even here you can see there those small bottles over there. That is cachaça. Yeah. So you can see from here. Amazing. And this I think has become more like the main thing, like here where in Zambia actually people selling like cachaça. But here I think there's a funeral, if I'm not mistaken. I can see a tent and shima being cooked in big pots. But this is it. So this is it. Piri. So you can see from here, guys. That's how the typical Zambian village look like. And here in Mtenguleni. Okay. In Chipata, Eastern Province. You can see even from this side. And most people here keep cattle. So you can see they have a bit of cattle there. Call it. Yeah. So let's just walk around and show you this other part of it. Alright guys, so we are in what I like about like the eastern province of Zambia is the beautiful mountains, like you can see over there. Those hills, do you guys call them hills? But take a look. Oh, there's a big black pig over there and a bit of goats here, of course. Goats. Yes guys, so the goats are behind me. You can see from there. Alright, so let's just show you this part. Yeah, so this is the village where everything actually takes place. Like the paramount chief lives around this area. Actually did a video yesterday about it. So about the palace on the other side, Mtenguleni Palace. Yes, but this is the entire village. It's so big, so big. So this is where I am today, guys, vlogging and showing you how I don't see like many houses right here. Of course, this is more like a recreational part, like this is a football ground. But after that, you can see fields, maize fields on that other side, and houses right over there. But we're not going to go that far for today. Yeah, let me just show you this other side of the village. You know, this other side of the village, guys. This side of the village. Let me walk somewhere here. I'll show you, you know, how things are here. Yeah, Mtenguleni. Okay, see from this side. So these are the typical houses right here, you know, but I think let me walk from that side. Yeah, let's continue walking around in this beautiful village here in Chipata. You know, I've just seen like here they have like lots of big baobab trees, guys. Like, let me show you that one day. Let me show you that big baobab tree. Here you can see there's this house over here, you know, and these are typical Zambian village houses, you know. So yeah, but also there's some cattle over there, and this is the big baobab that I was talking about. Wow, really, like baobab trees can actually grow. That's a fact. Take a look at this one. It's not as big as, you know, but in this area I think it may actually be one of the biggest, you know. Yeah, so you can see how it is from here. Oh, and you can see the kid playing with the cows there. That's a big baobab tree. On this side you can see main house, little kitchen, the toilet on the far end. You know, yeah, that's how it is. That's how the Zambian village setup is, you know. Yes, guys, so we're actually walking around in this beautiful village here in Chipata, Eastern Province, Mtenguleni. Yes, guys, so you can see. Yeah, these flowers are actually very good, you know. I remember growing up in a village back in Kawi, we used to have such flowers. Green, they look very nice. Yeah. So not many people here because lots of them have actually gone for Nchwala, guys. For Nchwala. Or Nchwala. Yeah. So this is it, and the owner of this goat has actually tied it to the roof right there so that I don't steal it. So this is it, guys. We're in the village right here. Yes, and you can see even on this other side there are these parts. Oh, there's another big baobab tree over here. This is what I was talking about. So actually this one is slightly bigger than the previous one that I actually showed you guys. Look how it is. These are quite interesting trees, you know. Take a look, that's it. And what is interesting also about this area, you can see like on the far end there, people burning like bricks. So like the houses that you're able to see here, these that have got like iron sheets, they are made of bricks. So they burn like the brick, those bricks made of soil. They burn them, like you can see these red bricks, like this one used on this small house over here, you know. Yeah, so they burn them. So I can see like on the other side it's more like that's a business. It's more like just right after these houses on the far end there you can see what you call viviri. Now viviri, it's more like the ones normally the ones they do like the ones they use like making charcoal. but this one is specifically for bricks. So like burning bricks, you know. That's how it is. You can see an impi there arriving at his home. Right there, you know. Yeah, so we're in the village, but you can hear some sirens going on, maybe some important people actually passing through. You see, those are the things I was talking about, like maybe burning bricks right there. Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. Hey, take a look ahead of me. There are these two small pigs, the white one and look at that one. That's the white one, the small one. It's really full. Here you have the black one. These are two piglets actually. Not pigs, piglets. Like small, tiny pigs, guys. Small, tiny pigs, if I may say that. Small and tiny pigs. Yeah, like small pigs. So they're called piglets. Yes, guys. So this is the beautiful village that we've toured today. An amazing village, you know. And I can see actually these are improved houses. Most of these guys have like very good houses. Like they even have iron sheets. Wow. You know, like if you go like deep in rural areas, guys, people don't even see like iron sheets, you know. But here people have improved significantly. Maybe Mpezeni is doing a good job. Yeah. This is how it is. These are beautiful houses in this village. Okay, alright guys, so I'm going to end this video from here today. Thank you so much for all those that have supported this channel. Thank you guys for those that have contributed to this channel, for me to travel around, for me to do all the activities that I do on my channel. Oh my goodness, I want to say a million thanks to you guys. And yeah, I'm here in Chipata. Also, if you want to show me, if you want me to show you a number of things right here, yeah, I can actually do that for you. Hopefully, I'll still be here by the time this video is published. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. I love you all. Bye-bye. Take care.